baby. Shoot dang, son! You're watching Classic Games. What's up, everybody? We are back at my friend's place, Danny, in Ramseur, North Carolina. He specializes in classic cars, classic stuff, mostly yard art, which I'm going to show you. Take a look. Now this is what we're here for today. Basically a K10 lifted Chevy truck. We bought this weeks ago. We never had time to actually come and pick it up, but that's what we're here for today. It's gonna be our next project. We're gonna change the color, tinker with it a little bit, and do a fun episode with it. Maybe a couple of episodes, depending on if it survives or not. But yeah. Just rolling it through, see if it still fires up. Come on, baby. Say we have some issues getting over the fenders. We'll figure something out. What's going on, man?
Did it fire right up?
Yes, it did.
It's cold-blooded. To get it moving, you have to let it warm up. But it's crazy. That sucker runs better than probably better than any other motor I've had.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
This is Danny. I clearly buy a lot of shit from him. So he yeah. Well, I kind of figured out now why the four-wheel drive wasn't engaging, and kind of makes sense right now. But there's the cure.
That's got something to do with it.
That's the cure right there. Alright people, this is a Chevy square body short wheelbase K10. The K stands for 4-wheel drive, which clearly doesn't work right now, but we're gonna sort that out. I always wanted to have one myself, and this was my chance to get one. We're gonna go to his next building and see what else he got. So we're on our way to his next building. Gonna take a look at some a couple of cars and see what he got. All right.
This side looks better over here. That's freaking awesome. 0001 Cemetery Lane. I'm gonna put the light and the tag back on it.
What is that?
460. 460, 460, 360, 360, 396, 327, two little Henny motors, V6 GMC.
All right. So I just wanted to show you this place. Danny is a good guy. I'm gonna show you the phone number on the building if you want to call him. He got a lot of cool stuff. So like I said, if you see something is appealing for you, feel free, call the number. His name is Danny, and we don't necessarily need it to pick it up for you if you have somebody else, but he gets all the cool stuff all the time, so let him know.